I've enjoyed the teamwork and seeing everyone's robot.
Working as a team and not giving up on our robot when it had a few issues.
I've enjoyed being able to go and have this experience with all my friends.
All the coding and getting to see other people's teamwork and effort into their robots.
I felt inspired because I've seen loads of the other robots that were really good at passing all of the missions.
It inspired me to code more often.
So I have felt inspired by today because one day in the future it could be a job.
Yes, I definitely would, because it's really interesting just to see how robots work, the programming behind all of it.
Yeah, I would consider a job in computer science and coding, as I feel it's really important to learn new skills and adapt.
It's a great learning tool and you can do pretty much anything with it.
Days like this are important because you get to learn about loads of coding.
Days like this are important to show not everything goes your way. Days like today are important for children our age to learn how to code and to have teamwork and just have a bit of fun. I have learned that coding is very difficult and that it takes time to practice.
A thing that I learned today is how to build a scooping mechanism coder to a certain degree where it stops.
I've learned teamwork. I've definitely learned a bit more about how to work with LEGO Spike.
Everything that's gone on here has been fantastic for communication, for maths skills, taking the children in a practical environment.
It's been amazing, it really has. It's great for them to actually solve challenges in real time.
Honestly, it's one of the best things I've seen for education.